You know, I was chatting with a miner once in Lightning Ridge, and he told me that mining opals like waking up every morning and hitting yourself in the head with a shovel. Now, cutting opals not like that. There's a lot of days where you just win, and you win all day long. And, well, there's some days where you just lose. Today's been a bit of winning and a bit of losing. You know, and thousands of pieces of Endomuka matrix that I've cut and treated and polished. Usually if I cook maybe 100 or 200 of them, I'll have one or two small ones crack on me, and I've had more cracking in this batch than I've ever had by carat weight, probably more than I've ever had in all of my other parcels combined. So normally this video would never see the light of day, but in the interest of making sure that everybody knows that everything doesn't go to plan all of the time, I'll show you what we have here. All right, good morning, friends. 4 hours in the oven, and we just turned it off and let it sit overnight to cool down. The coffee is brewed, the oats are on, and the opals are cooked. Open up one. I normally suggest you doing this outside because the carbon can get pretty flaky and it does create a bit of a mess for you to clean up, but I just opened one of them up here. A little peek. And that's exactly what they're supposed to look like. Great big chocolatey goodness. Looking at this a bit closer, this blue piece, it had a bunch of crystal on the bottom, and thinking maybe the difference between the crystal and the hard matrix above might have helped it fail. This one was worked by somebody else before who had put some resin in there. And as for these guys, I'm not sure. You know, could be anything. All right, let's rub some of this sugar off and see if we got anything interesting.
Upon the machine. Sparkly. Ooh, we're getting good results with this one. What's the sparkly sparkles?
And this good right up here. Interesting pattern on the back. Let's take the big one here. Looks like this one's going to go purple.
Ooh.
Wow, this one's really interesting.
Ooh.
All kinds. All that green and everything came out really bright.
Wow. Totally cool.
It's a beautiful stone. That one might make a better specimen than chopped up. We'll see. Alright, so the last one of the big whole ones. So we're going to make our money back in the parcel. It's got to be here.
Look at that red right there, and the orange. Oh my god, that is just like so cool. And the purple going across.
Looks like it goes all the way through this stone as well. So, as if you want to slab it up, you're gonna get, well, you'd slab it this way, so you'd get that red bar maybe 2 or 3 times.
So awesome.